Do you know you can make money on Facebook by converting your Facebook profile into a Facebook page? 1 million views on Facebook is equal to $1,000. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Convert it if you're in Nigeria. That is why you see a lot of content creators creating content on Facebook, because they are making reasonable amount of money on that platform. In the next few minutes, I'll be teaching you how to turn your Facebook profile into a Facebook page so that you can get it monetized and start making money. For you to be able to convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, you must have a feature called professional mode. I'm going to be showing you where to see that professional mode on your Facebook profile so that you can turn it on and turn it into a page. Note that there is difference between you creating a page on Facebook and converting your Facebook profile into a page. They are two different things. They have their disadvantages and they also have their advantages. So if you want to learn how to create a Facebook page or convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, make sure to watch this video from the start to the end, because I'm going to be teaching you how to do both and also tell you guys what you can do with each of these pages. If this is something you're interested in, keep up watching. Before we dive into today's video, let me introduce myself. My name is Promoted Sandra. I'm a fashion designer and also a content creator. If this is the first time you're coming across this channel, thank you very much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you very much for coming back. Here on this channel, I create videos on how to make money, how to grow your social media platform, how to level up. I also post vlog. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see my videos, and don't forget to like this video, comment on it, because this will help YouTube to push my video to more people who are looking for how to convert their Facebook profile into a Facebook page. So without talking too much, let us dive into the video. Professional mode gives you access to a bundle of professional tools, monetization products, which is if you are eligible, and safety features that can help you build your professional presence and a global community from your personal profile. Turning on professional mode doesn't create a separate profile. If you want to turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode, which is going to generate a new page for you, it's not going to create a separate page. It's still going to be your normal profile. In that profile, you still have your own page where you have access to boost your posts, promote your page and all that. Open your Facebook app. So once you open your Facebook app, you are going to see your normal Facebook platform like this. So go ahead and click on your profile. Then you are going to see these three dots at your right hand side, this particular dot. Click on it. When you click on it, scroll down, you are going to see turn on professional mode. Go ahead and turn it on. Add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook. Get paid for your content. If you are eligible, unlock monetization tool to earn money by creating new content. Click on turn on. So once you click on turn on, it's going to ask you what interests you. Select a topic to help personalize your experience. So for me, I'm a fashion designer, so I'm going to click on fashion and beauty. Please don't choose what I choose. I choose this because I'm a fashion designer and I do a lot of skincare stuff, beauty stuff. So this is related to what I do. That's why I choose fashion and beauty. So I'll go ahead and click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to tell me find groups to join. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on groups and join. Once you click on next, it's going to say finish setting up your profile. Click to add your cover photo if you don't have cover photo. So for me, I've gone ahead to do some of these things. That is how to turn your Facebook profile into a professional mode. Once you are done converting your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, go ahead and explore it. Do all the necessary settings and all that. So that was what I did. So you can check to see if you have any strike on your page, on why your channel cannot be monetized. All you just need to do is to go ahead and click on this place, then click on professional dashboard. When you click on professional dashboard, you can see all your stuff. So when you scroll down, you're going to see monetization. When you click on monetization, check if you are eligible or if there's anything that will stop you. Like for me, they said I have violated a rule before on the Facebook platform, which I might be at risk for monetization. So I'm trying to fix all of those things. So go ahead and check yours, so that if you have an issue, start fixing it now so that it will not affect you. And even if you are creating the normal Facebook page, if you don't fix it now, it's also going to affect that page as well. So now that we are done with converting our Facebook profile into a Facebook page, I'm going to be showing you guys how it look like. Okay, the people that I'm following and people that are following me, like my friends on Facebook, and Facebook automatically converted them to followers. You need 5,000 followers for you to be monetized on this particular one. So all you need to do is go ahead and accept everyone that have sent you requests, because automatically Facebook is going to turn them to your followers. So go ahead and accept everyone that has sent you requests. I can also go ahead and promote my page for more people to see. Okay, so that is one good thing about turning your profile to a page. The second way to get monetized is by creating a Facebook page. So this particular one is different from turning your Facebook profile into a Facebook page, and that is something I want to teach you how to do. Go ahead and click on these three dots at your right hand side. Go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, scroll down, then you're going to see pages. So click on pages. You are going to see create. Click on create. You're going to see create your page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. So go ahead and click on get started. Once you click on get started, you're going to see what's the name of your page. Use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or a name that helps explain your page. So you can go ahead and use whatever name you want to use. Shikina, go ahead and use it. For the sake of this tutorial, which name am I going to be using? Let me use just.com. Just don't call. Don't even know where that is coming from. So I'm going to click on next. What categories best describe just.com? So it's going to tell you to choose the categories that best describe your business. Go ahead and use the search bar. So I'm going to click on fashion designer. So once I click on fashion designer, you can go ahead and add as many as possible. So I'll go ahead and click on create. So once you click on create, it's going to say you have created your page. Like, you have created your page. It said we will use this to help you finish setting up just.com, which is my page name. It won't change your access to all your pages feature. So you're going to see option 1, promote your products or services, best for companies, non-profits, and other organizations. You're going to see create content and connect with fans, best for creators and personal brands. So I'm going to click on best for creators, which is the second option. So I'll click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to tell you to customize your page. So go ahead and add your profile, your pictures, whatever you want to add. Just go ahead and do that. Once you click on next, it's going to say build your page audience. So go ahead and invite friends to like your page or follow your page. So once you click on next, it's going to tell you to add your favorite to your brand. Okay, so you can add anyone as your favorite to your brand. Click on next. Stay informed about your page. Turn on this feature. They've already automatically turned it on for me. So I'll go ahead and click on done. My profile is switching to my page. Okay, so right now this is my page. That is how to create your page. It's as easy as this. Connect it to your Instagram. If you're a business person, you have a business WhatsApp, go ahead and connect it to your business WhatsApp as well. It's very easy. So for you to get monetized with this, you need 10,000 followers. You're going to see it under monetization. So just go ahead and explore your page, do all the necessary settings. It's as easy as that. Share your link with your friends, with people, so that they can get to follow your page, and also join groups so that you can also grow your page as well. Let me tell you the difference between a Facebook page and also a Facebook profile. On your professional mode, you don't have access to add people to manage your page. But on the normal page, just like this one we just created, this last one, you have access to add other people to help you manage your page. Let's say, for instance, you are a busy person. You want somebody that can help you manage your Facebook page, respond to your comments, messages, and also help you post on that platform. You can go ahead and create a Facebook page. But Facebook professional mode is also good. That is if you want your friends, families to see your business. Okay, when it comes to the profile and the page, it's very difficult for people to follow your page. Okay, people can decide not to follow your page, but your profile, your friends in school, in church, your family members can decide to follow you, like send you friend requests, which is very easy. If you want your family and friends to be seeing your products, go ahead and use the Facebook and professional mode. Yesterday, I made 2 posts on my professional mode. Trust me, the video did not pump up on my page. I did not see the video on my page. The only way for me to see the video is for me to share it, like Do you guys get? I don't know if I'm missing something, okay, or maybe there's something I don't know or something I need to know about. So for me, that is what I've observed. So when I post on my Facebook page, I will see my video on my page. If I post to reel, I'm going to see my reel. If I post a normal video, I'm going to see it on my page. But on my professional mode, I don't see it except I share it, like share it. That is when I will see the video on my page, which is kind of stressful. But the Facebook page for me is what I preferred because I have access to add people to help me manage my page. I'm going to be leaving my page link at the description section and also the comment section. Please follow me. You can just go ahead and create the page and also use a normal Facebook. Explore it, choose for yourself the one you want. So just because I like the page doesn't mean you must like the page. For you, the professional mode might be your own choice, individual differences. That is all for the creating of your page and all that. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video, comment. I'll be begging you from the beginning of this video even till now. Please like, comment. This is not going to take anything away from you, okay? This is just you supporting this small community. So I'm going to be making a video on how I make 3,800 daily on a particular platform. Get rich soon. So I am so excited. I'm going to be sharing this because it's not something that is popular yet. Just take a good look at this dress. I made it myself. Yes, I need to advertise my business. I'm also going to be making a video on my filming setup. A lot of you guys have been requesting for the video, so I'm going to be making a video soon for that. Please bear with me. Please be cool, bear with me. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye.